Hi everyone, my name is Jessica and welcome to today's Craft Time STEM edition. Have you ever wanted to make s'mores but didn't have a fire to roast the marshmallows? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can have s'mores anytime with just a pizza box and the sun. We are going to make a solar oven. The supplies you will need for today is a pizza box, black construction paper, some foil, saran wrap, an X-Acto knife or a pair of scissors, a wooden skewer or chopstick, a glue stick or liquid glue, and some tape. To begin, you're first going to cut the oven door flap on the box. The size depends on what you're cooking and how much access you will need. I've already cut my flap door, but to give you an idea, this is what it needs to look like. You're just going to cut 3 sides of your box so that it will open up like so. After you've done that, you can take time to decorate your oven. I'm not going to decorate my pizza box oven, but if you like to take some time and do that, you can do that now. Alright, after you've decorated your pizza box, you're going to glue the black construction paper onto the bottom of the box. The black color absorbs the heat. You're going to take your glue, and you can either glue your paper or you can glue your pizza box. Alright, next you're going to glue aluminum foil to the inside of your door. The foil will reflect the sun into the oven. If you have any extra foil, you can simply just fold it over to the other side. Alright, now you're going to tape the plastic over the opening of the door. This will allow the air inside the box to heat up, but keep the heat trapped inside the box. So you're going to take your saran wrap, measure it out, and then take your tape, and we're going to tape it inside the flaps. You might need mom or dad's help with this because saran wrap can be pretty difficult to work with. All right. At this time, you will take your box outside. You will grab your marshmallows and chocolate and your graham crackers. You're gonna set up your s'mores. And if you like to use the wooden skewer, it will help keep the box propped up like so. I am not going to videotape my s'mores cooking because it might take a while, but I will definitely share a picture at the end of this video showing you what my s'mores ended up looking like inside the box outside. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little cool activity. For more videos like this, follow us on Facebook and Instagram or visit our website cityofirving.org/library. If you'd like to post photos or videos, please use the hashtag IPL@home. And hope you have a yummy, delicious day.